We love to cater to everyone's needs. That's why we try so hard to provide each and every one with great service. And we're happy to say it's paid off with a glowing 5-star review that we'd like to share with you right now. We really work extremely hard to provide the best possible service, and we're proud to know that according to our reviews, people appreciate our efforts and agree that we're doing a great job. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.